everyone, today I will show you how to make cut tomato bisque with basil aioli. This dish you can make, it's perfect for making on Valentine's Day. For your love, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife. You know, this dish is very elegant dish, and this is very colorful, and it's really delicious and beautiful. We need a fennel bulb. We need basil. It smells good. We need orange juice, chicken broth, chopped tomato, garlic, fennel seeds, tomato paste, salt, pepper, and mayonnaise. Okay, I show you how to cut this fennel, and it's very important to remove the cord inside, so you have to cut on a half. And like you see it, you have the little like triangle over here, so this one have to be removed. I take the small knife and done. Okay, now we going to slice this. I try to do thin how it is possible. I'm using only bulb, and it's like you see this fronds. We can keep them for decoration or for more taste if you like it. So we have this pot, heavy bottom pot, and it's really good to use for this dish. So we have a 1.5 of chicken stock. So I'm going to pour this, and fennel, sliced fennel, and I need 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Now we braise sliced bulb in a chicken stock with fennel seeds for 20 minutes, and pan should be covered, and we just simmer. Okay, I will show you how to make aioli for tomato bisque. So we need 2 cloves of garlic. We need 1 teaspoon of salt, and now we are going to grind this. Like you see, this is very smooth, like almost paste, and we put the basil. Mix together. Okay, this is ready. So next we do first oil. It's like 2 tablespoons of oil. Make a little bit smooth. Looks yummy already. And next is mayonnaise. Now we mix them together. Next step, we need 2 cloves of garlic, orange juice, half a cup, and 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Okay, and we simmer this for 5 minutes. So we simmer for like 5 minutes. We need 2 tablespoons of oil. So now you have to bring to the boil, and then after when you boil this, and we are going to simmer for 30 minutes. Okay, so now this is boiled, and we put on the small flame and we simmer for 30 minutes. Okay, next step is we have a basil, and we put in a pot and we simmer for like 5 minutes. Now we are going to use immersion blender, kitchen immersion blender, and we blend everything is what we have in the pot. So this soup is a little bit cool off, so now I'm going to blend this. It's beautiful. It's done. So the next step, we have this beautiful fish cod. Take this and we slide this sauce push a little bit down. It's like we know fish don't need it cook too long, so it's like 3-4 minutes on a very low heat. Okay, I guess that's it's ready, so it's time for lunch. Where are you? I got a fish. It's beautiful. It's very important to this dish. It's don't forget put the aioli on the top. Voila, it's ready. Okay, it's time for taste. I'm really hungry. It's like always very delicious. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And everyone, happy Valentine's Day, and make this dish for your love, boyfriend, husband, wife. It's really worth it, and you will be happy. Thank you.